Our next topic is single cell protein SCP. Chapter 17 Biotechnology, Class 10 Biology. Single cell protein means the protein which is obtained from single cells. Proteins obtained from single celled organisms or microorganisms are called single cell proteins. To get single cell protein from microorganisms are provided with many types of substrates, and these substrates include industrial wastes and nitrogenous wastes. Industrial wastes and nitrogenous wastes are raw materials of the microorganisms. These substrates and microorganisms are put into a fermenter for an optimum and faster and an optimum production of proteins from microorganisms. These microorganisms include algae, yeast, and bacteria. The smaller the micro the organism, the faster the production of protein from microorganism. Because single cell protein is obtained from microorganism, that is why single cell protein is also called mini food or novel food, because microorganisms are a strange choice to produce protein. That is why novel food is used. Novel means strange, and many because the organisms which are a source of the protein are very much small. That is why it is called mini food. A scientist known as Scrimshaw at Massachusetts Institute of Technology discovered or made the first single cell protein, and now all the scientists agree on the importance of single cell protein. Because energy resources or food resources are declining or reducing with the increase in population. Due to overpopulation, the loss of resources poses a serious need of the production of single cell protein. To know about the importance of single cell protein, let's we study the key important points of single cell protein production. The importance of single cell protein lies in that just 50 kilogram yeast is able to produce 250 tons of protein in just 24 hours. Only and only 50 kg yeast is required to produce 250 tons of protein in 24 hours. This single cell protein is much more. It is about 20 to 50 times more amount as compared to the corn which is sown in an acre per year. The corn which is sown in an acre too much large area as compared to the area taken by yeast and amount as well. Also, in 1 acre in 1 year produces 2 to 50 times less protein as compared to this protein which is produced by genetic engineering, means single cell protein. So the importance of single cell protein can be understood by this comparison. Single cell protein uses very much less area of land. It produces too much proteins. The third advantage of single cell protein is that too much less time is required for production of single cell protein. Another benefit of single cell protein by microorganisms is that single cell protein is pure protein. The protein which is present in corn is mixed. The corn consists of carbohydrate, fat and protein. The grains of the corn contain very much less protein, but as compared to them, single cell protein is rich in its amount. Also, single cell protein with vitamin is obtained when we use yeast to get protein from. And much more other important lines or points exist in the production of single cell protein. It is the need of the time. Allah Hafiz.